Hi, so today is the day we are going to replace all the leakage in the engine, and what we will need for it is this and a sealant. Let's do it. To do so, we will have to remove the tank first. To remove tank, we need to open these covers. So to remove tank, first we need to remove these two covers at this end, and there are few connections which you need to remove before doing so. So here is one of the connection which you need to detach, and inside there is this fuel pipe. Okay, this fuel pipe you need to detach. Mine is FI engine, fuel injection. It doesn't have a carburetor. And this connection, this one you need to detach. This is for fuel meter, petrol meter, how much petrol you have left in your tank. Before getting started, our hands are going to get dirty, so the oil is getting leaked, so I just have to keep it this way so the fuel doesn't come out from here. Okay, we'll keep it aside. As you can see, there is leakage from here, so I'm going to replace this. Like, I'm going to put some seal on it and then close it back, and there is leakage from here. To reinsert this thing, I need to open this part completely. To remove this head, I need to open these screws. Okay, so it will also help me cleaning it properly. So I've removed the screws, and these are the plates which come out. The old oil on it, it's not going out, so I'm going to use little kerosene, and let's see how it works out. First I'll try to fix this one, and later I'll go for this one. This is how it looks like after opening. There is this oil seal on it, and there is some residue left over from this old sealant. This is used for tappet setting. You hear the noise in your bike like tick 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 tick. This is used to set that. I have cleaned the old sealant from it, and I am using this sealant, the new one, to fix it back. I have completed applying sealant to both the sides, and now I'll try to open this head to replace that rubber cap. So I was running out of a spanner, and I went out and I bought the spanner. And if you really want to screw things, you should have the right tools. I have unscrewed all the bolts, and it's easy to remove the head now. And this is how it looks from inside. And I have this chain over here is called a timing chain. We have to remove the cap from there and replace it with a new one after cleaning all those residue from it. And I have applied the gel on it, the sealant. I am applying little more sealant on the head, so I don't want any gaps to be remaining. I applied little more sealant from the outside. That will be removed in the washing, and we are done. It looks good from both the sides. I'm tired. I have to get it washed and then check if it is leaking or not. It is possible that I have missed out a point where it can leak.